Hey, this is John. Today we are working on a Nissan Rogue front bumper. This bumper has 4 broken tabs and is mangled and twisted in this area. I'm gonna V-groove this one after I get my tab die in, because if I try to V-groove this now, my grinder bit is just gonna catch on this lip, and it's not gonna allow me to make my V-groove as precise as it needs to be. Die number 3 fit perfectly in the slot. Being that we only have one number 3, I had to use number 1 and 2, which are a little bit smaller, but will work just fine. They will still prevent the welding rod from filling in the slot. I'm applying 3 strips of welding rod. Now that all of my tabs are cool, we can remove the tape and the die. We'll just flip it around so we can weld the backside. For the most effective repair possible, it's important to weld the front and back side of the tabs. Check the thickness, the plastic, make sure it's even throughout all 4 tabs. I need to take a little bit more plastic off of the top. Of course, we'll have to use a grinder on the round hole, but I prefer using a utility knife for the rectangle slots. use a piece of welding rod to stress test and see just how strong these tabs actually are. And I think that will hold it on the car.